guys? So you're welcome to this episode on Weekly Focus. So this week we will be looking at USD Canadian dollar. That's the chart I'm on now. Currently, you can see my setup and the box order I have created already. You can see my box order. Let me make it bigger. Check out my box order. Notice this box order around here. That is where I'll be taking a sell for this week. This is the daily chart. Let me go to the weekly so you see. Now you can spot from the weekly, you can see where I drew my topmost top level around here. You can see that price has been going up to that level and has been rejecting. This is USD Canadian dollar. So I had to draw out my trend line, spot my trend line. You can see this trend line, that is the line the market has been taking while going up. So I am expecting price to give me a movement in this form, come into this box area here to test this level. Then I'll wait for it to break from this trend line. Then I'll take my sell order and then move down. This is more like a swing trade. I normally swing trade. I hardly do day trading. So this is going to take for a long time. Probably if this trade eventually works, that will take about, I think, 2 to 3 weeks. You can see my red range where I'll be taking my profit at. This is over 600 pips. This is over 600 pips against 120 pips. That's like a 1:4. But I don't think I'll be waiting till 1:4. If I can get a 1:3, I'm okay. Now, why am I so confident about this pair? Last week we did our analysis on Usdchf. We expected price movement to move. It didn't go our direction. But this week on Usdcad, I've checked the fundamentals. I'll be flashing it on the screen so you see. USD, we're expecting a weak USD for this week. USD pair to be weak. US dollar actually to be weak because of the non-farm payroll that will be coming out on Friday. We even have the initial jobless claims. Most times as a swing trader, you mostly consider the fundamentals. They are very, very crucial in our analysis. So that is why I'm always emphasizing on that. So I was expecting price to play around here all through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. By Thursday, I'm expecting a breakout from this trend to give us a confirmation. Then we'll put our pending order and then we'll take our sell. So that is for Usdchf. It is very clear. You see my analysis. I hardly do a lot of drawings and everything. I just spot my levels, spot the trend that the price is taking to that level. Spot the trend price is taking. Check out my level around there. I watch out for the trend the price is taking. Then I wait for the trend to break out. That is just how my strategy works. And then I set my pending order for a pullback, because whenever trend or price breaks out, it will always give a pullback, and that pullback is a confirmation to retest that level, to tell us that actually price has rejected that level and is pulling down. So that is what I am expecting for this week, Usdcad. So I'm going to this trade because of, like I said, the fundamentals. So I just hope the fundamental comes out and it goes exactly as the forecast is saying, that the non-farm payroll is going to be weak. It's going to be a poor fundamental. So we're expecting USD to drop this week, US dollar to drop this week massively if it comes out exactly how our fundamentals have said and in line with our price action. Our price action is already giving us a bias that price has gotten to a level where it will be rejected. So the fundamental will only confirm it for us. So Usdcad spots my level, spots my entry. The green area spots the red area. You can see what I wrote here. Look at this. You can see this. Look at this week trade. Watch for sell engulfer. That's what I mean. Whenever the sell and an engulfing candle comes in, like a big red candle breaks down from here, that's the engulfer. That's to show that yes, price is ready to pull down. All right, that's for Usdcad. That's a brief analysis. Very easy to go. You can also confirm it if we look down to our Usdchf, Usdchf, that's USD Switzerland franc. Check out, spot out this also. Let me go from the daily so you see clearly. Look at from our daily. Look at price has come to this range. Look at here. Let me draw this out. You can see this as a very strong level. Look at it, very clear. So now, if you look at this level, you see that this is a very strong level. If price gets here and it will possibly reject that level. Look at it, price has already gotten there. Watch the green candle. It's as if it touched there and it's rejected. It's coming down kind of, but it's a green candle, so we're not expecting a drop immediately. We still expect a pull up a little bit, so to fill up this space around here. Once this space is being filled up, this is also USD, so we're expecting that fundamental to pull it down. So this is more like a confirmation also to tell us that USD has gotten to a level on our technical analysis, that USD is at a level that is very strong and might reject it. So that is how we trade. That is how I trade actually. So once I see these things, I confirm from the fundamentals, just like I've confirmed this week, and I've seen that probably the news is also going to be weak. So you can also spot my trend line from here also. This also has a trend. You can see that this always works. This also has a trend also. Although it's not as easy as it is anyway. So the market is always about patience, especially for swing traders. So this is what I'm expecting for this week. Look at this area here. So I'm expecting price to come into this area again a little bit and then break from this trend. Then I'm ready to go. So guys, you can see my analysis, very brief and understandable. I wouldn't want to waste much of our time. So that's all I have for this week. Have a very fruitful week. Have a blessed one. I pray everything you do goes accordingly. All right, guys. Bye.